hole here because it's already complete 171 feet. Now they are fixing this motor here. This one. And these are the tools. This is hose or pipe. This one there, this white pipe, then they will fix her first.
White pipe is for casing now. That is for safety for motor.
This one. First they will put this one.
Yeah. Then after that they put motor inside.
First they will fix this all pipe or hose, big pipe, and then this one motor. Inshallah. And this one there, this pipe is small, black. What is this also?
Water come from in this pipe.
And so,
When you start motor,
hmm?
then water come there.
So when they will fix this motor, then water come, na? The one who make this, also digging this, owner of this machine, then he's the one fixing also this motor here. It's very cold. Time check is 5 p.m. exactly 5 p.m. and today is December 31 and today is Wednesday. So, yun yung bahay namin. It's very cold, that's why they're making fire. They cover here because so many children here, maybe they will come here by accident. When they will fix this pipe, then they will remove this cover here. And there is also expected rain today night. Ang lamig. They're preparing now this, fixing now this motor here because it's already complete 171 feet. First they put cover here because many children, maybe by accident, they will come here. So when they fix this pipe, and then they will fix this motor here. Ang lamig, ang lamig, ang lamig. Kunin ko yung aking nilabhan. Kasi because anytime rain will come today night. They're fixing there down that motor. Kaya galing ako doon. Kunin ko yung aking nilabhan. They already fixed this motor here where they make this hole for 171 feet. So this is the motor, and they remove already the machines here and all the tools they put there. That machine, you see, as you can see, no more here. And there is two pipe here or hose did not put here because it's already enough for 175 feet. So ayan, and then the connection where you open this motor is over there. Yun, yung wire na yan. They finish for I think almost 1 month and 6 days, including this fixed motor. And water is coming, but still dirty. Then how many, after 2 to 3 days, 4 days, then water will be clean. Until, inshallah, for after 3 to 4 days, then water already clean and can be already drink water. This motor hair. Ayan. So as you can see, no more hair. This machine hair, they remove already and they transfer hair. And then when they will get Sami this machine? Machine. Eh? Mm-hmm. Ah, they will bring this machine after 1 week. Maybe they have another customer again for another place. So for a while they keep her and they put plastic also, so if there is rain then no more become wet. Ayan, alhamdulillah. Mm. Yesterday they fixed this one, December 31 around. They start to fix this motor around yesterday, December 31, last week of December 2025 around 5 p.m. And today, the complete January 1 will come 2026. So the complete now time is 2 p.m. Today is January 1 and today is Thursday. Time check. Pakistan time is 2 p.m. It's already complete. Fix this motor head. Yan, it's raining. Oh, little bit raining. Very nice. But it's very, very cold. And this one, they will put, here, what you call this? Lagyan nila ito ng bahay, yung, kung saan nakalagay yung motor. Para hindi mabasa ba. Yung parang bahay kubo ba na kulungan ng aso like that. After fixing this motor here, as you can see the pipe hose from there. So water is coming there and this wire and plug is inside the room. So when they open this motor, it's coming water here. As you can see, but water is still not clean, it's still little bit dirty because just now they fix this motor. So after 2 to 3 days, water will be clean inshallah. And after 2 to 3 days, then water can be drink this one and can be used for anything, for washing dress, for wash container and everything, especially for drinking water. But alhamdulillah, it's little bit now clean. Yeah, you see. And this pipe did not fix because it's already enough for the pipe. 175 feet for this hole here.